My goal is not to just grow a business. My goal is to change the way patients see us as dentists. I want people to think that we're there to help them. I want them to understand that what we provide is valuable, not just what their insurance will cover. So the idea of changing the way people see us is my motivation. I created UPB to help dentists be better in their own unique, authentic way. To create the impact you want to create with less stress and more unity. The old school consultants don't get how to do this now. You can't just swoop in with your outdated way and make all of us into performing robots. By removing all that crap, we can do this better. So I developed UPB Dental Academy to provide dentists with what truly matters to making a dental office successful, and do so in a way that helps you be true to who you are. Success and impact does not require magic or secrets or anyone coming into your place of business and turning everything and everyone upside down. Number one is control. I have tremendous control over what happens, when it happens, how it happens in my office at all times. My team, when they understand my why and my vision and where I really want to go that year, they will definitely work harder to help me get there in a unified way. Now I have a team that really likes spending time together and really works cohesively together to achieve our targets. You can't get what you want next year by doing it twice. You have to do it every day. Anything that you want to change in 1 year, you do it with little tiny actionable baby steps. Years ago when my business was struggling and I had to make a decision whether to stay in dentistry or get out, I decided to stay in, and in order to stay in, I had to turn my practice around very quickly. Setting everything aside, without money, you have no business. So you could be, you could have a happy team, you could have happy patients, but if the money is not coming in, you won't have business for long. So ultimately, we have to take care of the money just as much as we take care of each other and our patients.